show you how to add the solid color layer in the Photoshop app. First, we have to open up the app. Until it opens up like this. From here, we just go into the top row, click on layer. Then we move on to new fill layer. And here we click on solid color. Here we can name this, for example, green. Click on OK. Set the color here. Nice pine green, maybe like this. Now we click on OK. And here afterwards we can set the blending option. And then we can set the opacity, so the two layers combine nicely. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.